Let's have an introduction. Huh?
Sure. Hi, my name is MJ. I'm a blockchain project manager. I've been in this field, in the whole crypto and blockchain space since 2016. It's been over 8 years almost now. And for the past 5 years, I've been directly involved into the space of developing blockchain projects. Yeah.
So, of course, it's very interesting. The whole world now, raising voice about the cryptocurrency, which is based on the blockchain, and this is become the part of the life of the whole world to communicate in trading and to exchange the country to country, you can say, or the people to people kind of means of the exchanging money. So for me it's very interesting. I wanted to know more deeply because with your experience and of course the long way which you told you have been into this subject. So please tell me more in brief.
Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Actually, blockchain started, the whole idea was way before the whole Satoshi Nakamoto to come into the whole world and tell people in 2009, okay, this is blockchain and Bitcoin. It has started back in 80s actually. There was some idea started developing there, but it came to life in 2009 when Satoshi Nakamoto, it was either, it's a pseudonym actually, either it was a person or a group. No one still knows.
Yeah.
The anonymity still is there. But the idea is what is interesting. It is actually changing the whole world. Initially, when blockchain was introduced, it was like a platform actually for cryptocurrency, for a digital currency, okay, peer-to-peer digital currency. That was the whole idea at the beginning about it. But since then, the whole blockchain has evolved. The use cases, the areas, the industries that they can take advantage of this technology, because it's not, there's a very huge misconception I've recently of hearing a lot about it, that people think, okay, when they hear blockchain, they hear Bitcoin or something, they hear, okay, it's only about cryptocurrency, and that's it. You have to know trading, you have to either know coding, how to code. But that's not it actually. There are so many other areas that this technology is applicable into the real life right now with the smart help of smart contracts which came with Ethereum in 2015. The whole idea that was introduced by Vitalik. He introduced the Ethereum blockchain, which expanded, really scaled the applications of blockchain. With the help of smart contracts, you can now, governments actually are using it, especially here in UAE, in Dubai. Dubai blockchain is almost now running on blockchain. The whole, the identity systems, the real estate, Dubai Land Department is actually developing the blockchain to use the blockchain platform for their whole system to record everything.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. I have heard that the ATM is also here for the cryptocurrency.
Yeah, actually, it was a few years back. It was a couple of years before Corona. Actually, I saw the news that there are Bitcoin ATMs in Dubai. They started putting some. They removed. There were some changes, but yeah, that it somehow started from Dubai actually in the region talking. Yes. So blockchain is far more than just cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is one of the use cases of blockchain.
Okay.
There is a huge use case in logistics, in accounting, in law,
in banking also.
in banking, finance.
Yeah.
There are so many applications in IoT.
Yeah,
and that's the thing. Most of the people have no idea about the applications of it, and they are not fully aware that
they
this
only
technology,
stick to some limited.
they only
that's
think Bitcoin, cryptocurrency,
trading.
Exactly, trading, or you have to be a coding person, a developer, web developer, or IT, like a nerd IT guy to go into this field. But to be honest, me personally have no coding experience. I've done some codings back in university or recently, but I'm not a blockchain developer. And I come from biomedical engineering background. I studied biomedical engineering here in UAE.
Yeah.
for 4 years. I even worked in the field as a biomedical engineer for 3 years in Dubai. But then I shifted to start something new.
Yourself.
Exactly. Then it was in 2016 when I got introduced. I got started to get involved with the blockchain and the cryptocurrency. At that time, the use cases were mostly about cryptocurrency. Buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, keep it, invest in it. But over time, the application expanded, and there was lots of resistance at the beginning from almost every government in the world, especially like U.S., China, most biggest countries, biggest economies.
In Russia.
In Russia, but now they have come to the term that's okay. It is something that cannot be stoppable. Okay, the thing is that the blockchain itself, the technology, is amazing. Okay, and they can use it in so many places in the government too. For example, let's say in real estate, there are so many applications actually in real estate for fraud preventions.
Yeah.
Okay, so for example, it has happened many times. Maybe any of us have heard about it. That you buy a property, but someone else forge the documents and sell it on your behalf to someone else. Gets the money.
Many cases came out.
Exactly, because the fraud was there.
Yeah.
There was no, like sometimes they
Control kind of system.
Exactly,
Control.
system could have been hacked. Computers or networks could have been hacked. People get robbed with the information and everything. But in the blockchain technology,
You cannot hack.
exactly. So far, at least until today, no one could have hacked it.
Yeah.
Okay, there are some attacks, there are some
Of course.
securities measures must be taken into action. But the thing is that the blockchain itself, the technology, cannot be hacked, at least until today.
Yeah,
Okay,
true.
so if you have any information on the blockchain platform, on the blockchain networks, it is tamper-proof. It's immutable. So no one can go there and change anything or hack it or do anything to it. Okay, and with the advancement of this technology and the scalability of these applications of blockchain, job market has also evolved. It has been changed. Okay, so as I told you, I'm a blockchain project manager. I come from a biomedical engineering background, which has no direct relations
to do
to
with
it.
the,
Exactly, but I'm here in the field, so anyone else also can learn about the whole idea of the blockchain and come to and look for a career in this whole blockchain Web3 space. When I say Web3, actually it's a new generation of the web where it is based on blockchain. So it started from Web 1, then Web 2. Okay, the Web 1 only developers were involved into content creation, but then in Web 2, when YouTube and other platforms came into the game, users also could have generate some content and be a content owner, and so organizations also came into the play. But with Web 3, the whole game changes actually, because you can be the owner of your own content. There can be content monetization. There is, for example, in terms of news, you can check the authenticity of the news, so no more fake news can be out
this is
there.
happening around the world.
Exactly. So the blockchain itself actually is helping to improve the quality of our lives.
Tell me, sir, now the blockchain and AI.
Yes.
So this together.
Exactly. Yeah. With the development of the AI, which the news got spread with the ChatGPT, with Sam Altman when he introduced the ChatGPT with the UI for the user interface that everyone could have used it. But it started way before that. For example, one of the projects a few years ago when we worked on it for the consensus system of the blockchain network, we already used AI in that sense. So now there are some technologies which together will be in the future, in the near future, we'll have cities like, I'm not sure if you have seen the movie I, Robot, which Will Smith played in that one. Everything is automated. This can be happen actually. Elon Musk, for example, the other day he launched a new car, and he mentioned literally that he has taken the idea from the iRobot movie.
Yeah.
Okay, so the whole AI, blockchain, all together, and so many other technologies in this space. For example, metaverse also with integration of blockchain is changing some fields. For example, In healthcare, there are so many applications
Yeah.
actually of blockchain, integration of blockchain and metaverse together. There are so many fields that the blockchain is now being implemented into them. So what actually has hit my mind recently is to tell people that you don't have to be a trader. You don't have to know coding. Even if you're an accountant, you're a counsel in a law firm, you are working in healthcare, you're working in government sectors, you're a realtor in real estate industry.
Everywhere you need.
Exactly. Once you have the knowledge and we will actually teach people, we will help them learn how to implement this technology into their real life and the jobs that they're working at. Actually, they can improve themselves because recently, especially here in UAE, because it's in my mind, UAE and especially Dubai always was a business hub only. But now, alongside that whole business, they have added another category, a blockchain hub. It is become one of the biggest and largest blockchain-friendly countries.
No doubt.
They are now issuing licenses for exchanges.
Very much open.
Exactly. Like VARA, Virtual Assets Regulations Authority, they are issuing the Virtual Asset Service Provider licenses. So now the crypto exchanges, blockchain companies, Web3 companies, they are now registering themselves in UAE because they know from Dubai, from UAE, they can expand to the whole world. Their
UAE has been always number one in any subject you take.
Exactly.
Either air taxi or the business of new venture, or even in AI or the blockchain.
Exactly. You're absolutely right. Dubai. I came here actually first to Dubai. It was in 2003. I've been here in UAE for 21 years. I've seen so many
all
changes
ups and downs
along the way.
and changing.
Exactly. From the worldwide recession in 2009, even before that, and then after that, I've seen the whole changes and how that's the beauty of this country's leadership. Actually,
no doubt.
Exactly.
And his vision.
The vision is amazing to change a country which over 50 years ago it was just some sands, but now you barely actually seeing any sands over here. They're changing everything. It's not just sands and oil anymore.
No.
It's about business. It's about innovation. It's about taking the calculated risks and moving forward.
Humanity. This is the only one country where I've heard there is a Ministry of Happiness.
Yes.
And there is a Minister of Happiness,
Yeah.
We are talking about, sir, the longevity, the happiness. This is the only one country in the world where there is such kind of department. How to make the people happy. And there is existing Ministry of Happiness. So it's amazing.
Yeah.
So, sir, tell me about the courses and some kind of fees and little details.
Sure. Here with the
Bharat Academy.
at Bharat Academy, we have developed courses actually tailored for each sector. For example, we have general courses to teach people if they want to know what is blockchain in general, how does it function, what is cryptocurrency, how does it work, how you can use it. Exactly, just to get it started. Okay, and also if they want to know about how crypto exchanges work, how they can buy, how they can sell. These are some general courses. Alongside with that, what is my passion actually to teach more than just the general applications are the specific applications in various fields, in the different industries. Right now, there is a huge job demand actually in different sectors. In blockchain and Web3 companies here, especially in Dubai, not actually only in Dubai, in the whole around the world. That, for example, they need an in-house counsel, okay, but with blockchain and Web3 and crypto experience or knowledge. They want now in real estate. I've seen so many ads. I'm following these ads to know what are the
development.
Exactly, the recent development actually in the job market. And they need realtors, they need real estate people, okay, to have the experience in real estate. Alongside that, to have the knowledge, at least the knowledge or experience with crypto and blockchain.
That will add on and that will help them much to experience and to run the business in different level.
Exactly. For even there are some actually perks in working in this space, in the new technology of the blockchain, Web3, and crypto. Is that one of them is that there is high demand, but there is no proper supply of the employees.
Lack of knowledge, lack of people.
Exactly. So what is happening is that the early people, the early birds, okay,
Yeah,
they
true.
say early bird always catches the worm. That's
Yes.
the British
Saying.
saying, exactly. So people who get into this field within this year or even next year, because still it is evolving, the salary package, the compensation packages are usually 30 to 50. Sometimes I've seen even 100% higher than the traditional role that they are doing in their traditional businesses, because the demand is there, so they need to catch the fishes as soon as possible.
Yes,
Yeah. And another thing is that most of the ads, they mention, okay, the work is either remote or hybrid, so you don't have to necessarily go into that office, okay, to sit there from 9 to 5, okay, and to
remotely you
that
can.
yeah, so many jobs are posted for remote, so you can sit here in Dubai and apply for a job in the US,
USA.
in UK, in anywhere in the world,
Yeah.
and from Dubai, from anywhere.
Yeah, anywhere,
So
yeah.
that's also one of the perks actually of this the job market of the blockchain.
Possibilities.
Yeah. So we help them to develop, to learn what is blockchain and what are the applications into different industries. So with the merging their own experience and knowledge with and what we will tell them, they will be able to change their career, or sometimes actually some smart people can come to these classes and get their own idea, develop their own idea, okay, and then start their own venture. There is no limit actually into
Yeah,
it.
it's limitless.
Yeah, exactly.
Very nice. Thank you so much.
No.
Sir, one small question. What I have heard, that the future is the carbon credit certificate, and it is going to overcome the cryptocurrency.
Okay.
Yeah. So, what do you think about this?
The thing is, actually, there are use cases of blockchain technology into reducing carbon emission. Yes, there are environmental projects right now. I don't remember any of them on top of my head. But the thing is that there are applications of blockchain, okay, that helps carbon
reduce
emission.
it,
Tracking all the carbon emission, okay, to reduce it and helps reducing. There are actually existing applications. There are scientists. There are environment activists.
Activity.
Yeah,
green,
exactly.
Green kind of.
Yeah, the green people. They are actually some of them. They are using the blockchain technology. They are developing smart contracts. They're developing dApps and stuff to help us live better, to have a greener planet.
Yeah, to reduce carbon emissions.
Exactly. For example, and I've heard this also. Some people say that cryptocurrency, because they heard Bitcoin, there is a mining process. Okay, the miners of Bitcoin, they are using a lot of energy. They are producing lots of heat, which they are going to need cooling systems. So there are going to be huge cooling systems to cool these down. It is happening in the huge plants. They call it the Bitcoin farming places. Okay, it's like a huge farm. It can be a silo or a huge place. There are hundreds of thousands of miners to help mining the Bitcoin, but that's not applicable for all the cryptocurrencies, because when Bitcoin started, it was a proof of work consensus system, which required physical mining computing systems to mine the Bitcoin as a cryptocurrency. But in the past few years, so many other consensus systems has come to into the industry, into this space. It's called one of them. The most famous one is proof of a stake. It doesn't need those miners of Bitcoin on your phone, on your laptop, on your tablet. The normal the accessories that you're using, the normal devices, they can be placed. Yeah, exactly.
They can mine.
They can. It's not called actually anymore mining. It's called either minting. There are different aspects to it. They're either minting or being staked. They will get the cryptocurrency as a reward for their staking investments. So the whole thing, as you mentioned, okay, the carbon emission and reducing it with the carbon certificate, blockchain actually is helping to facilitate it. Yeah, exactly. Facilitate the whole process to even make it happen faster than before. So yeah, actually.
And do the authentication as well.
Exactly. So the authenticity can be traced to make sure everything is legit.
Yeah.
Okay. And as I said, there's so many misconceptions about the whole blockchain cryptocurrency. Some people may say, okay, it's a scam. It has been said since 2009. Still, there are some people.
Still, the whole world is.
Yeah, but now even governments has come to the sense that okay,
they're relying upon this.
Exactly, they're relying. They said, okay, this is something that people are supporting it. So let's see how we can utilize it exactly for their own advantage. So there are so many things about it. They said, okay, it's just a bubble, like what they used to say for the .com at that time, which is still going on. There are people say it's only about trading, which is not. There are so many applications to it. Exactly, and it is helping
and important
to
play for the life.
Yes,
It has become the part of the life.
It is making the lives easier, better, more efficient.
Yeah, more efficient.
In so many cases, it's a very cost reduction. It helps reducing the costs.
Yeah.
For example, actually, there was in accounting. Let's say there is a company here in Dubai. They're a big firm. They are using blockchain for auditing purposes, and it is way much faster. It is tamper-proof. Okay, so you're 100% sure.
Less expensive.
Exactly. And you're 100% sure the data which you're auditing is 100% authenticated, okay? And it is reducing the cost and much more efficient. So why not use it? It actually puts more money into the pockets of the corporates.
Yeah.
So it's a win-win situation. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
No problem.
It's my pleasure to talk to you.
Absolutely, it's a pleasure.
I hope to see you soon. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you.